5 things I'll never do as a millionaire. And if you're doing any of these right now, you're lighting your financial future on fire. I filed for bankruptcy in 2007. 2 kids, a mortgage, more debt than common sense. I thought I was doing everything right. Good job, steady paycheck, the middle class dream. Plot twist, I was doing everything wrong. And after rebuilding to 7 figures, here's what I learned. Getting rich isn't about doing more things. It's about stopping the things that quietly destroy wealth. According to CNBC, 65% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. 2/3 of the country running faster and going nowhere. Today, I'm breaking down 5 things I'll never do again and why you should stop doing them too. So stick around for the action plan that your future self is begging you to follow. Let's dive into number 1. The single paycheck trap. Never rely on just one income source. Real talk. I spent 20 years as a pharmacist thinking job security was real. Yeah, no. I was in HR as a manager at one point in my career telling amazing people it was their last day because some executive decided to optimize. One guy had just bought a house and boxes still unpacked. He sat there silent for 2 minutes. According to the Federal Reserve, job cuts in 2024 hit levels not seen since 2020. Your secure job is one company decision away from disaster. Wealthy people understand this. Tom Corley's research found 65% of self-made millionaires had 3 income streams. 45% had 4. 30% have 5 or more. For me now, supplement business, pharmacy programs, content creation, real estate, and affiliate partnerships. And if one slows down, I'm not panicking. Drop a comment. What's the dumbest thing you bought thinking it would make you money? I once bought a can't miss penny stock from a guy at a gas station. The spoiler, only my embarrassment went up. But what's the fix? We'll start one additional income stream. Side hustle, dividends, affiliate marketing, rental income. The goal isn't quitting your job. It's creating a safety net not controlled by someone else's quarterly report. On to number 2, playing the tax game like a chump. Never treat taxes like punishment. They're a playbook. I used to hate taxes. Then my buddy Alan, 80-year-old, 9-figure business owner, said, taxes aren't punishment. They're a roadmap. The government tells you what they want you to do and rewards you. Mind blown. The 2 people make $100,000. Person A, an employee, pays taxes on the full $100,000, loses $25,000 to $30,000 to taxes, then pays for life. But person B, business owner, deducts expenses first. Laptop, phone, internet, travel, meals, home office, $30,000. Pays taxes on $70,000. Saves $6,000 to $8,000 every year. That's 86 Chipotle burritos every year. And lower capital gains rates, real estate depreciation, retirement deferrals, and charitable deductions. It's a wealth playbook. My friend Will restructured as an S Corp and saved $12K his first year. Same income, smarter strategy. So the fix? Talk to a CPA about LLC or S Corp formation. And track business expenses. Use tax advantage accounts. The wealthy play by different rules, the same ones you can use. Now, number 3, the consumer content trap. Never consume before I create. For years, I'd come home exhausted and collapse. Netflix, scrolling, consuming. It felt good because I was tired. The plot twist, I was giving my best energy to other people's content while the wealthy created things that made money while they slept. So get this. Studies show Americans watch 4+ hours of TV every single day. That's 28 hours a week. That's a whole extra job, except you're paying them instead of getting paid. Now, my friend Mateo used to scroll Twitter every morning. He flipped it, spent that hour on his side business. 6 months later, an extra $2,000 monthly. Same time, different win. And when you trade time for money, the second you stop working, income stops. The wealthy build systems that earn whether they work or not. So, what are you going to do about it? Well, create before consuming. Morning equals creation. Evening equals consumption. Start with 30 minutes. Build your business, create content, research investments, learn money-making skills. Consumption becomes the reward, not the default. Number 4, obsessing over the wrong number. Never focus on income over net worth. I used to only care about salary. How much do I make? One more raise and I'd be free. Yeah, no. Income doesn't equal wealth. People making $200,000 a year living paycheck to paycheck. Big house, fancy car, zero savings. Meanwhile, $60,000 earners built $500,000 by saving consistently and spending less than they earned. The wealthy don't ask, how much do I make? They ask, how much am I worth? And Thomas Stanley's Millionaire Next Door research shows most millionaires drive used cars, live in middle-class neighborhoods. They're not trying to look wealthy. They're trying to be wealthy. And my buddy Eric upgraded his BMW every 3 years, spent $150,000 over a decade. That invested $250,000 plus now. That's 2,857 Chipotle burritos. I know I have a problem with the Chipotle burritos. But anyways, the fix, track net worth. Assets minus debts, not income. Instead of the new iPhone, invest $1,000. It's $2,000 plus in 10 years. Drive your car another year. Invest the payment. Get a modest house. Invest the difference. The goal isn't looking rich. It's being rich. Can't do both starting out. Now, number 5, the middle class silence trap. Never avoid talking about money. Growing up, money talk was awkward, rude. You didn't ask what people made or discuss investments at dinner. Here's a plot twist. That mindset exactly keeps people middle class. Wealthy people talk about money constantly, not to brag, to learn. Investments, strategies, mistakes, information exchange. This is the middle class mindset trap from my book. Stay quiet about money, never learn what works. Everyone stays broke together, politely. Here's a little MIT research. When people discuss ideas openly, they generate better solutions and see opportunities they'd miss alone. The real talk, my best moves came from conversations. James told me his dividend strategy. Alan explained real estate depreciation. Will broke down affiliate marketing. Friends talking about what works. Most people don't want to look dumb asking questions, broke admitting struggles, or arrogant sharing wins. So they stay silent. Nothing changes. This is what you do instead. Start money conversations. Ask successful friends their strategy. Join investment groups. Share goals. Ask for accountability. When someone shares a win, ask, how did you do that? The wealthy aren't smarter. They just talk openly about what works. What's the right move? Simple. Treat wealth building like a game you want to win. And here's your action plan. Create one additional income stream this quarter. Side hustle, dividends, rental income, or affiliate marketing. Schedule a CPA meeting. Ask about business structures and deductions. And block your best hour for creation. Morning, before email. And build something that pays you later. Calculate your net worth, assets minus debts, and check quarterly. Have one money conversation this week. Ask for advice or share what's working. Set up automatic investing, $50, $100, $500 into index funds or retirement accounts. Your money should hustle while you sleep, earn while you're on vacation, and grow while you watch Netflix. Look, I get it. This feels overwhelming. You're thinking, I just want a simple life. But simple doesn't make you wealthy. Systems make you wealthy. Strategy makes you wealthy. So stop working hard and staying broke. Work smart and build wealth. And I'm not a motivational poster. And I'm a guy who went bankrupt and figured it out through expensive mistakes. So pick one thing from the action plan and do it this week. And if you want more personal finance education, watch this next video and check out the description for links to additional resources. Now, stop watching YouTube and go build something that makes you money while you sleep. And peace be with you, and may your wealth compound faster than your excuses.